Hi guys, my name is Radhika. I'm a student at International Institute of Digital Marketing. I'm going to explain 5 tips to make your digital marketing strategy outstanding. The first is analyze the competition. Your company needs to stand out compared to other competitors in the market. You must study and analyze what others are doing. Analyze the factors such as pay-per-click, SEO, email campaign, webinar, or podcast. The second tip is be real and authentic. The company should be true regarding their mission, vision, and goals. It builds trust and value for their audience. The third tip is create and analyze the content. Perform the content gap analysis to figure out what content strategy has worked in past. Focus on facts, especially numbers. The fourth tip is decide on a goal and create strategy accordingly. Applying tactics is not just enough. It is essential to make sure your strategy aligns with your marketing goals at all the time. The fifth tip is innovate and experiment. Innovation is not only necessary for your products, it is also important for creating the marketing strategy. There are many ways to create an innovative marketing strategy, such as visual identity or the tone of the voice. The goal is to catch the attention of the audience and how your brand stands out among others. Let's talk about the final thoughts. Deciding on the digital marketing strategy for small to the big any size of the business is an essential step. You should keep adopting the latest trend and the enhancement of the technology to be up to date in the today's competitive market. You can learn more tips at the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Thank you for listening.